Hey you guys, gals, Froggy here, and I think this is an obvious problem, and I'm going to show you how to get a shoelace or a piece of rope or twine or whatever you vacuumed up out of your Dyson cleaner. And first thing I did was disconnected it from the boot just to make things easier to handle, because the whole thing was kind of attached together. So we got rid of the boot, and then I detached the motor end of the vac just to make that whole thing easier to put it up on my bench here. Okay, now let's stick it up this way, push both of these latches. I've only got one hand here, so I already pushed them, and that will disconnect this top cover here. Get us a little closer to the problem. Now, I'm going to need two hands just to examine how tight this is all bound up. I actually just cleaned this whole thing a few days ago. And that's another video, and you can look at that. That's a complete disassembly to clean it, because it was used to vacuum up construction debris, unfortunately. So this one's probably a little more common household kind of thing. Your kids' sneakers are laying around and you vacuum them up. So let's just take this roller off to give us some more room. You can see there it says pull, P-U-L-L. I need two hands to do that. So you just pull it and one end comes out, and then the other end, which has got like a gear assembly, it attaches to a gear there, that comes out. So now we're getting some more working room. Well, since I've got some working room around the roller now, what I think would be the best way to do this is to take the end of the shoelace and kind of reverse thread it through. And you can see where I'm going to go with that, right up there, and kind of reverse thread the shoelace instead of trying to twist the rotor to undo it. You follow me? Okay, it looks like this is going to work pretty well. There was one that was crossed over here, so let's just unwrapping the shoelace from the roller. I'm going to poke that through there, like that. See, it got kind of jammed up under this wire guide, but I think I can get it free of that pretty easily. I need two hands here. And now that it's not bound up between the roller and this guide here, I can pull on it. And now I'm actually twisting the roller instead of threading the shoelace. So a little bit of one, half of the other, and I think we're good. Doesn't appear to be damaged, and we'll put it all together and try it. So let's put the roller back in. The gear side goes that way, and that just pushes in with your hand, just snap it in. This cover goes on this way. Snap, snap, one on each side. And put this down. The power head plugs in like so. Snap. Plug it into the wall. Okay, we're back in business. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. And I know this is something you probably could have figured out yourself, but I wanted to show you a little bit of the disassembly and a couple of different techniques to unwind a shoelace, because it could have been longer, or it could have been two, or it could have been a lot of different things. So anyway, there you go. Bye-bye. Froggy out.